guys, welcome to Tech Price video to another video. In this video I show you how to buy Saitama Inu without network fees. So Saitama Inu is actually hosted on ERC20 aka Ethereum network. So it's going to cost you lots of money if you just want to buy Saitama Inu for 10 or 20 bucks, dollars. So it's going to cost you another 20 or 30 bucks as network fee. So if you want to avoid this network fee, so there's only one way. You need to just depend on some trading platforms, but this token is not available major platforms like Coinbase or Binance. However, this is right now actually available on 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞. So I'm going to show you how to actually buy this. So if you have Tether on any of your wallets like Trust Wallet, Binance or Coinbase, you can actually transfer Tether from that account to 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞. So this is an account I have already created. So here you can see that Saitama Inu USDT trading. Okay, so this is the home page, and once you signing up on 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞 is pretty straightforward. You just need to use your email and create a password and a ID. That's it. You don't even need to verify your identity. You can just start trading right away once you have an account. You can actually transfer funds from Binance or Trust Wallet or any other wallet that you have to this 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞 and start buying whatever the currency you want. So many currencies that are not actually available on major platforms are actually available here. So here I'm going to show you how to buy Saitama Inu. Okay, I've already created an account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer some Tether from my Binance account to my 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞. So now I have 95 USDT here on my Binance. So I'm going to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw this Tether from my Binance account to my 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞. Okay. So here, if you go here, there is this wallet and funds, deposits and withdraw, etc. Just go to deposits. So I'm going to deposit Tether from Binance to this account. Okay, tap, choose the currency that you want to deposit, and it's of course that's USDT. And there are several options here when it comes to the chain, aka network. That's Omni, Ethereum, ERC20. So I suggest using Tron network. So whether you withdraw from 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞 or deposit, you can actually use Tron, I think, or maybe BP20. Or yeah, it's gonna cost you just $0.8, I think. So yeah, I think it's better to use BP20. Let's copy the address. So first choose this Tron, then copy, and let's paste it here. Okay, let's see what happens. That's TRX. Okay, and the network fee maybe minimum is 10. So I'm gonna transfer 95. So 1 USDT is the network fee. Okay. So I'm going to use this Tron address. So make sure you actually select the right address. If you're transferring from Binance, you need to make sure the network that you choose belongs to this address that you are actually sending the Tether to. Okay. So, and also here, make sure you actually copy the right address. You can see that as you switch, the address actually changes. So it's here, that's Tron, copy once again. Okay, and paste it here. That's it. So I'm gonna transfer this fund from Binance to 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞. Okay, so withdraw, continue. So now I need to get the verification code. Okay, so go to my email and just copy that code. Why can I copy this address? Okay. And the next is authentication code. That's from my Google Authenticator. So, okay. So that's it. Okay. So it's almost over. It's gonna take a few minutes. So right now it's on approval. It's gonna take a few minutes before the amount is shown on here. So you'll get a notification once the transaction is completed. So the transfer is actually completed. Now if you go to gate.io, and here we should it should reflect here. So if you go to recent deposits, you should see that amount, I think. Okay, here we go. That's 94 USDT. This is how you actually deposit on gate.io. You can choose whatever the currency that you want to deposit. Go here, wallet, deposit, withdrawals, whatever. Then choose the currency that you want to deposit. Then transfer that fund from another wallet to this address. Make sure you actually choose the right network and this copy this address, and choose the right network on the wallet that from which you actually send the Tether or whatever the currency. Okay, so that's how it works. Once you deposit Tether, you see there are several options here. Just go to trade and hover over this spot trading, and there is the standard and professional. Go for the professional one. Okay, then, and here you have these buy and sell options here. I'm gonna change the pair here. So search Saitama, then tap it, then it's automatically selected. That's Saitama USDT. Then tap the price here. So if you want to buy, tap on the red. If you want to sell, tap on the green. Okay, so just tap, and there is these two options as well. So that's sell and buy. So you see that, and as you tap, the price actually changes down there. You can see that 7111, 7117, like that, 7112. So that's how it actually works. Then you choose the amount that you want to spend on Saitama Inu. That may be 100%. That's USDT 94. You can see that available USDT, that's 94 here. So I'm gonna get 1.3 billion, I think. Okay, I'm gonna buy for 80 USDT. Okay, just tap the amount. Okay, then click buy. So now you see that, confirm the order. So I'm gonna buy this. Okay, confirm the order. So input fund password. Okay, yes. So that's done. So that's how you actually buy Saitama Inu on gate.io. You can actually buy whatever the coin, you can actually trade. You don't even need to verify your identity here in order to trade any current, whatever the currency you want. So almost all the major meme coins are actually available here, like Saitama Inu, Shiba Inu, and 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞, yeah, kind of stuff like that. So this is how it actually works. So I hope this helps. However, you won't be able to transfer this from this wallet to any other wallet if you are thinking of holding this for a long time. You may not want to keep it here on a trading platform like this. But unfortunately, when it comes to Saitama Inu, the network fee is so huge, you won't be able to transfer fund from here to any other wallet. Of course, you will be able to, but the problem is though, is the network fee. So for example, if you tap Saitama Inu, I have, if you go to withdraw section and choose Saitama Inu, okay, I have 1.6 billion Saitama. The problem though is the network fee. It's almost like that's equal to, if I want to transfer this fund from here to any other wallet, I'll have to spend right now, if I want to send that amount, I'll have to spend around, okay, let's see how much that is. I'll need 92 USDT extra as a network fee. So it's gonna cost you 92 USDT. That sucks, right? Now you have Saitama Inu on gate.io. So as the price goes up, you can actually sell it you can actually sell it or trade or whatever you want to do it with your Saitama Inu, and that's it. And transfer that Tether or whatever the currency that you are actually trading the Saitama Inu for. Okay, transfer that fund from here to any other wallet later. Okay, so that's how you actually buy Saitama Inu on gate.io. I hope this helps, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.